Ever wondered how to earn an extra $100 daily without investing a single penny? Today, we're going to uncover the secret to this enticing question. So tune in, because the information we're about to share could very well change your financial future. First up, imagine a world where your financial worries are a thing of the past. A world where you have the freedom to do what you love, when you want, without the constant pressure of money. This isn't just a dream. With the right knowledge and a little effort, this can be your reality. So, let's jump right in. The first step in this journey is to understand the power of the internet. The internet, as we all know, is a vast, limitless space that holds countless opportunities for those who dare to venture. And one such opportunity is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission from each sale. But how does one get started? It's simple. Choose a product you love, sign up for an affiliate program, and start promoting. The second step is to leverage the power of social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have millions of active users. By creating engaging content and promoting your affiliate links, you can reach a vast audience and earn substantial commissions. The third step involves creating a blog or a website. This platform will serve as a hub for your affiliate marketing efforts. You can write reviews, share tips and tricks, and provide valuable information to your audience. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience is to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. The fourth step is all about persistence. Earning a substantial income through affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn. So don't give up. Keep pushing, and before you know it, you'll start seeing results. Now, if you're thinking this sounds too good to be true, think again. Thousands of people around the world are already earning a substantial income through affiliate marketing, and with the right strategy and mindset, you can too. In summary, earning an extra $100 daily without investing a single penny is possible. It involves understanding the power of the internet, leveraging social media, creating a blog or website, and being persistent. With these steps, you're well on your way to financial freedom. So why wait? Start your journey today and change your financial future forever.